So they moved the scaffolding so you can get a better idea of how large this size of room is. So from the back of the house going in, you can see that it's quite long. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. About 28 steps from the front door to the back door. As you can see, the new electrics are going in. They have all this is now patched. These are for where all the outlets will be. This will be the main power outlet coming from the street, and the new meter will be here, right there. The outlets, as you can see, are being cut. There's where one of the air conditioners will be, some more outlets. They have an outlet coming to the outside so that we can hook up a fountain, things like that. You can see here, most of this is patched. There'll be the other air conditioner over here, coming down. This is for more outlets, as you can see. They're putting outlets on both sides. One here, and on this side, there's several here. Some more lighting. This will be all patched up. This is for our fiber optic Wi-Fi, just relatively new in this area. More outlets here. This will be a main fuse box for when we decide to add a pool and a pump. And these guys are working super hard. This is what's left of that wall that came down. So that's it.